How to use ChatGPT to learn a language. Ask ChatGPT for definitions, translations and grammar explanations in your target language. Overview. Own this piece of history. Collect this article as an. Join us on social networks. ChatGPT is a powerful tool for language learners looking to improve their skills in a new language. Learners can develop a solid foundation in their target language and increase their self-assurance by utilizing ChatGPT to practice conversation, study vocabulary, sharpen their writing skills, practice pronunciation, and read and comprehend texts. However, it's crucial to keep in mind that ChatGPT is just one tool among many and that nothing can substitute consistent language use and immersion. Here are some tips on how to use ChatGPT to learn a language. Practice conversational skills. ChatGPT can be utilized to develop conversational abilities in a foreign tongue. Learners can practice grammar, vocabulary and sentence structure in a real-world context by conversing with ChatGPT. Also, ChatGPT can offer comments and corrections to help with language proficiency. Learn vocabulary. ChatGPT can also be used to expand one's vocabulary. Users can enter words or phrases in their target language that they want to learn, and ChatGPT will give definitions, translations and examples of how to use those terms in sentences. This is a helpful tool for creating a solid vocabulary base, which is essential for achieving fluency in a language. Improve writing skills. ChatGPT can be utilized to enhance writing abilities in a foreign language. Learners can obtain comments and corrections to help them with their grammar, syntax and sentence. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.